Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking Homestead. Got the Moronicles with me. Today's vid is all about adventure. Some of these are my adventures. You know, from going out dogs and checking out some deer and campfires and camping and traveling and hiking, tractor shows and riding my horse, berry picking and farm animals and woodland creatures and hikes up streams and slate steps and rainbows and all kinds of wonderful cool things like that. That's the kind of adventures I like. I've had some pretty cool adventures. I've even had some adventures with Bill Goudy. Bill Goudy is having the Excellent Adventure giveaway. And it's a pretty excellent giveaway. And I'm doing this partly for him, but partly for all of you because it's a really great opportunity. He is giving away 2 full 6-piece camp-made sets to get you started well on your way to Dutch oven cooking. And you all know Dutch oven cooking's near and dear to my heart. Now, Bill's been at Dutch oven cooking a whole lot longer than me. But I gotta say, Bill, I'm catching up. He also has prizes from Crawdaddy Forge, t-shirts from Triumph Screen Printing, and a whole host of other prizes, including bait and everything else for all your fishing needs and outdoor adventure fun. He's just got a ton of that. So it's super easy to enter. You just go to www.billgoudy.com. And if you don't have a channel, it's not a big deal. Just all you have to do is enter with your email. So anyone can enter this. But then he gave a second chance to those of us that are creators to go ahead and enter. Now, I want to preface this and say that should I win the Camp Made set, that, if I would win it, I would like to pay it forward to the MI Woodsman. He could use it more than me, and he's just starting out, and that set would really help him on his way. So, that's part of the Excellent Adventure giveaway by Bill Goudy. I'm one of the fortunate ones. I got to meet Bill out at YouTubery this year, and it was so much fun. We cooked out. How many people get to say they got to Dutch oven cook out on a wood fire with Bill Goudy? Well, I got to. Got to eat his cooking too. That was even better. So he made this wonderful pork roast, which I might add was a wild hog he shot down in Texas. I mean, really? This guy's for real. So anyhow, I got to spend time with Bill in person. That's one of the reasons I'm doing this. If you don't know who Bill is, check out his channel. You're going to be glad you did. He has some of everything on there. But if you enjoy the outdoors lifestyle, enjoy camping, enjoy cooking with a Dutch oven, enjoy fishing, hunting, hiking, and just seeing the outdoors and being outdoors, well, then it's a good thing.
Finally, broke the ice.
Yeah, the hand line it.
Yeah, the hand line it.
Yeah, there he is.
I'm going to finish eating this breakfast. I'd like to bring you along, but you know what? I'm not.
The one thing would be better if that was Helga's fresh.
You didn't tell me in time, Bill.
I know, I didn't.
Bill's getting his pork on.
Getting my pork on. This is my first taste. Wallace got the taste. I'm making a video of Helga videotaping me. Looking at me.
That's right. I'm watching the competition, man. Look at that
Hear that
goodness.
banjo music playing?
And Bill,
I'll check at you later. Go Goudy out for now.
If you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.